So now the question is, what happens next? And that's an important one. To take this forward, let's speak to currency market expert Amit Pabari, is Managing Director of CR Forex. Good to have you with us, Mr. Pabari. At these record low levels, sir, is now the Indian currency, is it close to finding that floor, or is this just a pause before another downward move? And what would be the key signals that will tell us which way it breaks next? Sir, if you can unmute yourself, because we can't hear you until you do that.
Good evening. I'm extremely sorry for that. Before giving a level to rupee, I will say what are the factors which can impact dollar-rupee pair. On the positive side, India's growth story is still intact. Second, fiscal deficit numbers are under control. Inflation is under control. And fourth important aspect is REER. REER currently trading close to 95. To give you a perspective, at the beginning of 2025, it was trading close to 105, which means that rupee is undervalued close to 8% vice versus 40 country trade basket. So this is a positive aspect for the currency. On the negative side, FII have been selling. FDI numbers are not that great as compared to previous year, and trade deficit is also rising. Apart from that, there is a key concern about trade deal with US. So these are the negative points. So going forward, what do we expect? See, going forward, the important aspect is, even if the flow start coming in to Indian equity market or FDI start coming in to the Indian market, one of the negative factor is RBI's forward position. Between 83 to 84, when rupee was trading here 83 to 84, the previous governor sold close to 95 to 100 billion dollar forward position. Currently, that position is close to 64 to 66 billion dollars. So now, whenever the flows will come, we are expecting that RBI might be squaring off all the forward position which are on the shorter side. So this gives us a signal that any dips to be bought. Saying that, as you have said, RBI is actively monitoring the position. RBI capabilities are also high as compared to 2014, where we were considered as a fragile 5 country. Now we are in a top 4 countries in the world in terms of growth. So RBI will be able to manage the growth.
Indeed, and that's the hope that the RBI will be able to manage growth at this point in time. When you're seeing that kind of depreciation of the Indian currency, there is a certain amount of trepidation. But thank you very much for setting the context for us. Amit Pabari joining us there from CR Forex.